Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to turn on Find My Device. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the settings on your mobile device. And after that, just simply scroll down and just simply go for the Google over here. And after that, you will be able to see here, Find My Device. So just simply select download and just simply install and just simply download this app, Google Find My Device. Just simply select open. Once it is done downloading, just simply sign in into your account. And once you are signed in, automatically it will be turned on. And there you go. Just simply follow these steps in order for you to turn on Find My Device into your phone. And guys, if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and then we will do our best to answer them all and answer all of your questions. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!